Alright, have you ever wanted to speak English fluently and effortlessly, but your voice just wouldn't come out? Do you feel nervous, scared, or stuck whenever you try to practice English? If you, then you are not alone, my dear friend. I used to feel the same when I was a beginner. So in today's video, I will be talking about how I built my confidence to speak English fluently and effortlessly. And I hope this video might change the way you think about English. So if you want to become a successful English speaker, if you want to be confident, then my dear friend, this video is for you. Okay, so before we begin, let me just introduce myself. My name is Porosh. Probably you are familiar with me and also with my videos. I make English videos to help others learn and improve their English. And learning English is my passion. I am passionate about it. I always try to utilize my time wisely to learn English and to make myself better. So as I said, today I will be talking about how we can build confidence to speak English fluently and effortlessly. Okay, so before going to that topic, just have a look. This is called Gymkhana Alauddin Khan Stadium, and today I've come here with my friend Arif. You know, yes, last night I told my friend Arif that I want to make a video tomorrow, so would you come with me? And then he told me, okay, my dear friend, we would go to this location. We would come to this location, and as a result, as you can see, today we both are here, and right now I am in front of the camera and I'm just trying to speak English. Yeah, I'm trying to be better in spoken English. That is the reason why I make this type of English videos. So if you look, you will find so many boys over here who are playing football, and it's really great to see that our boys, our youngsters are really very interested in playing football, cricket. And if I show you over there, you will find some boys who are playing cricket. So playing cricket, playing football. I mean, cricket and football are the most famous sports in our country. Yeah, people are really very interested in playing both of these games, and I'm also fond of playing football, cricket. You know what, whenever I get some free time, I try to go different places in order to play football and cricket. Yes, I'm fond of it. Yeah, okay, so without squandering time, now it's time to talk about our today's main topic. Our today's main topic is how we can build confidence for speaking English or for practicing English. Like in our country, there are lots of people who are really interested in learning English, but you know what, time is passing away, but there is nothing is happening. They just think that, oh, I need to learn English, and anyhow or at any cost I need to learn this language, but they are not finding any ways. So how can they speak English, or how can they learn, or how can they become confident in speaking English? So today I will share my own experience. I will share my honest experience about it. Okay, so see, my dear friend, when I was a beginner, I was also like you. I could not speak that much. I could not continue speaking English for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. But like I never ever gave up. Like that time, I always try to tell you that I had a strong mindset. I had a strong mentality to learn English. I thought that, okay, today I'm not being able to learn English. I'm not being able to practice English for 3 minutes, 2 minutes. But if I practice every single day, I will become better, and I will become my best version in one day. And that was the mindset that I had that time, and that mindset really helped me. That mindset really kept me going. And as you can see, today I'm being able to speak in front of you. I'm being able to inspire you. I'm being able to express myself with confidence. Okay, so if you are also thinking that, okay, today I can't speak English, I'm not being able to speak English for 3 minutes, for 4 minutes, I don't have that much confidence, so how can I do it? So I will suggest you, my dear friend, try to take some actions and try to practice English every single day. And even if you mistakes, you don't need to be worried too much, okay, because mistake happens to everyone, and this is the part of learning. So if you just take your mistakes normally, positively, if you take your mistakes in order to in order to learn something new, then it will become more easier for you to learn this language. Okay, and you know what, the way I started my English learning journey was little bit different. Why I'm saying it is different, because most of the learners or co-learners, what they do usually in their beginning, they try to learn English. But like, I never ever started my journey by learning English. One day I made one English video with my younger brother, and afterwards I was learning English through making videos. whenever after making videos, I just tried my level best to find out my mistakes, and I used to mend my mistakes every single day. And afterwards I realized that I need to learn these grammatical topics. If I learn these grammatical topics, I would be better in spoken English. And this is the thing that I did when I was a beginner. So if you are also beginner, if you are also about to start your journey, you also need a same mentality that I had when I was a beginner. Okay, just try to practice English. Just try to invest your time on learning and work on yourself, because this is the thing that will make you better. This is the thing that will help you to grow, and it will become more easier if you just know what you are doing and why you are doing. So you have to have vision. You have to have some dreams, because your dreams, your ambitions will help you to learn this language. If you know that after learning English what you are going to do, then you have a purpose, you have a vision that you are working so hard in order to achieve that dream. But if you don't have any dream, if you don't have any vision, then why you are working, why you are trying your level best, it has no value. So it is really very important to have some visions. And you know what, since my early days, I am used to making videos in public place. Like there were so many days when people used to think different things. They used to think negative things about me. And I can tell you one example of this. That is, like, one day I was making video in front of my school, and you know what, my school is not far away from my home. So in the morning I was making a video in front of my own school, and my younger brother was the cameraman. So while making video, there were two strangers. They were passing me, and then I was asked by them that do I make a TikTok video? Like, that time I used to feel sad, I used to feel despair, I was losing my heart at that time. But like, then I realized, eventually I realized that, okay, people would think different topics about me. They would make their own imagination, but I need to continue my journey. And if I continue my journey, I will be able to achieve so many wonderful things in my life. Or like, sooner or later, I will be my best version. I will become better in spoken English. And yeah, right now, as you can see, today I'm speaking English in front of you, and my English is a kind of fluent, right? Yeah, I can speak English, I can express myself in a better way. So this is my progress, and my progress always makes me happy. And now people are telling me, people are appreciating my videos. They are saying that, Porosh brother, you are doing an exceptional job. You are our inspiration for learning English. These are the things that, these are really, really helping me to grow. These are really, really helping me to make more content every single day. Although due to my HSC examination, I am unable to record videos regularly, because my HSC exam started on 26th June, and it's been going on for last 20 days. Hopefully it will continue until 6th August. So I'm really very busy with my academic studies, with my examination, but still I am trying to make English videos for you. I am trying to make myself better. During my exams, as you can see, I'm making videos. Actually, today I have got off day. Tomorrow I have my physics second paper exam. As I have got some free time, I thought it would be perfect if I come here and make one English video, because I want to make your journey a little bit better. Okay, so in the beginning I used to feel despair because of not speaking English fluently, but right now, as you can see, I'm speaking English very fluently and effortlessly. I don't need to force my brain to speak in English. All the things are coming in my brain automatically. So if you just start your journey from today, one day you will be the best version of yourself, and you will speak English like me or like our native speakers. So believe in yourself, because it's really, really important. If you just believe in yourself, you will be able to achieve anything that you want to achieve, or that you desire to achieve in your life. Okay, so it's very, very important. And it's really a hot day. As you can see, I'm sweating. Literally, I'm sweating right now. The sun is shining so brightly right now. And yeah, it's been 9 minutes. I've been speaking English in front of you. And usually whenever I make video, I try to make long videos like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and sometimes I make videos for 17 minutes as well. Yeah, in one of my previous videos, I talked for almost 17 minutes. So as you can see, I mean, it shows you how much curious I am to learn English. So if you just want to learn English, if you want to make yourself better, just work on yourself, learn English every day, try to use whatever you are learning, and just believe in yourself. You don't need to focus what others are talking about, because they are nobody. You are the one who can change your life, who can make yourself better. So believe in yourself, and because this is the thing that will help you to grow, that will help you to achieve some great things in your life. Well, so I think it's enough for today. I will try to talk about lots of things in my upcoming videos. So please pray for me, because my exams are going on, and after finishing my exams, I have some great plan that I will go in different places, and I will try to make lots of videos for you guys, because my ambitions that I have is I want to help people. At the same time, I want to improve myself, and I will also share how am I doing all the things. Okay, so stay well, stay fit, and always be powerful, be passionate about learning English, and try to use your time wisely. Don't squander your time on unnecessary things, because if you squander your time, you will never be able to improve yourself. So keep learning, keep shining, have a great day, take care of yourself, and bye for now. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day, take care of yourself.